Ruby.
You gonna pick your nose?
I like to eat my hand. Pretty girl.
Smile big. Getting there. Yeah, at least you got your eyes open wide.
Yeah. No, that's nice. Nice spit bubbles coming out there. Super cute.
Are you thinking with your hand up there? Flip me off then.
You're so cute.
With your other hand.
So we just had some dinner and we're full. And
And I'm tooting.
getting ready to load a diaper, I think. And then we'll be good to go for a few more hours of nap, I guess. She's so cute.
Wave.
We'll probably send this to Grandma and Grandpa. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Whoa!
Oh!
Yeah, that's a hello.
I wonder if the
Wow.
audio picked that up. That'd be hilarious.
Huh. No leaker. You seem somewhat satisfied with that.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm
Got
working on
more
better
there.
one. Oops, there's another one.
Ooh, it's juicy. You got another juicy one
Yep.
coming too, huh?
Maybe she'll have another blowout just for you.
Yeah, we better go head that way.
Bye.